Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today I am going to start new series about VPS and RDP. After watching this series, you will know everything you need to know about these and you can use these without any help. So, let's start video. There is nothing special about RDP and VPS. It's same as computer that you have in your home. But there is a special thing about RDP and VPS. It's you can't access it directly as you accessing your computer in home. You need to access it via network or internet. RDP is related with Windows and VPS is related with Linux. In RDP, you can use graphical interface. In VPS, you only can use command line interface. But you can also use Linux as RDP through third-party softwares. Do you know whole internet is built on RDPs and VPSs? Now let's see features in RDP and VPS. 24/7 working. Have larger storage and memory. Have stable internet connection with higher speed. These are main features. Let's see usage of RDP and VPS. Game servers, websites, VPN servers and almost every server running on these. I will stop video from here. Let's talk other things in future videos. If you have any topics that you like to know, put comment on video.